What could Pi coin be worth next year? Some people believe Pi could remain below $1, while others think it could see much higher prices if adoption grows. In this video, we'll look at realistic Pi network predictions, what could drive the price higher, and the biggest risks investors should know. What is Pi network? Pi network is a cryptocurrency project that allows users to participate through a mobile app. The project became popular because it aimed to make crypto more accessible without requiring expensive mining equipment. Over time, Pi attracted millions of users worldwide and has been working to build an ecosystem where Pi can be used for payments, apps, and online services. Why Pi could grow? There are several reasons some people are optimistic about Pi's future. First, the community is very large. A strong community can help drive adoption and awareness. Second, if more businesses and applications start accepting Pi, demand for the coin could increase. Third, additional exchange listings could expose Pi to more investors and improve liquidity. And finally, if the overall cryptocurrency market performs well, Pi could benefit alongside other digital assets. Risks to consider. Of course, every investment carries risks. One major concern involves token supply. As more Pi becomes available, increased selling pressure could affect the market price. Another challenge is competition. Thousands of cryptocurrencies exist today, and many are competing for users, developers, and investment capital. Pi Network must continue demonstrating why its ecosystem deserves attention. Regulation is another factor. Governments around the world continue developing cryptocurrency regulations. Changes in regulatory environments can influence adoption and investor sentiment. Finally, utility remains critical. A cryptocurrency's long-term success often depends on whether people actually use it. If Pi succeeds in creating meaningful real-world use cases, its future could be much stronger. If adoption remains limited, growth may be slower than many supporters expect. Price predictions. Now let's discuss three possible scenarios. Scenario 1, bearish case. In a bearish outcome, adoption grows slowly, selling pressure remains high, and overall crypto market conditions weaken. In this scenario, Pi could trade somewhere between 5 cents and 20 cents. While this would disappoint many supporters, it remains a possibility that investors should consider. Scenario 2, moderate case. In a moderate scenario, Pi continues expanding its ecosystem, adoption improves gradually, and the crypto market remains relatively healthy. In this case, Pi could trade between 20 cents and 65 cents. Many analysts consider this type of steady growth more realistic than extremely optimistic predictions. Scenario 3, bullish case. In a bullish scenario, several positive developments occur simultaneously. The ecosystem expands rapidly, adoption increases, major partnerships emerge, demand rises significantly, and the broader crypto market enters a strong bull cycle. Under these conditions, Pi could potentially move above $1 and perhaps even approach $2 or more. However, achieving higher prices would require substantial growth and widespread adoption. Conclusion. So, what is the future of Pi coin? The truth is that nobody knows with certainty. Pi Network has some interesting strengths, including a large global community and ambitious goals. At the same time, challenges remain, and future success will depend on adoption, utility, and market conditions. Whether you're optimistic or skeptical, it's important to stay informed, continue researching, and avoid making decisions based solely on hype. What do you think? Will Pi coin stay below $1, reach several dollars, or surprise everyone in the years ahead? Let me know your prediction in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cryptocurrency content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.